T-Mobile home internet gateways sometimes get stuck on the powering up screen, also known as a boot loop, which prevents internet access. This typically happens when the device fails to complete its startup sequence, not connecting to T-Mobile's network. First, understand that firmware issues, power surges, or weak 5G signals are the most common causes. Begin troubleshooting by simply waiting. The device may recover itself. If not, power cycle your gateway. Unplug the power adapter from the gateway and the wall. Wait a full 30 minutes, then plug it back in. This wait and reset allows the device to fully clear temporary errors and attempt a fresh connection. Make sure to plug the power adapter directly into a wall outlet or a surge protector to ensure stable power. If a simple reset doesn't work, perform a factory reset. Locate the reset button on the back of the gateway, usually a small pinhole. Use a paper clip to press and hold for 10 seconds. The gateway will restart and revert to default settings. Reconfigure your Wi-Fi network afterward. Next, optimize the gateway's position. Signal strength is crucial. Aim for 70 dBm or better. Place the gateway in a high, central location, away from obstructions like metal walls. Consider using the T-Mobile Health Check app, introduced in 2025, to diagnose signal issues remotely. If the boot loop persists after these steps, contact T-Mobile support. The issue may require a firmware update, hardware replacement, or network-side intervention.